In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks to prepare and file your 1099 forms with ease. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just getting started with QuickBooks, this guide will help simplify the process for filing 1099s. First, let's make our way over to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. It's important to ensure that you have the appropriate permissions to access the 1099 filing features, so double-check that your user role allows you to perform these actions. Once logged in, you should arrive at the homepage, which serves as the control center for managing all your accounting needs. On the homepage, direct your attention to the navigation menu. From there, locate and click on 1099 Filings. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all tasks related to filing 1099 tax forms. These forms are crucial for reporting payments made to contractors within a tax year. Ensuring accurate 1099 filing helps maintain compliance with IRS regulations, so it's vital to pay attention to detail here. After clicking on 1099 Filings, you will then see an option titled Prepare 1099s. Click on this to start the preparation process. The Prepare 1099 section walks you through all the necessary steps to compile information for your forms. It's crucial to have all relevant data at hand, such as contractor information and payment details. These details are key in accurately reflecting your business transactions with independent contractors and are required for generating correct 1099 forms. As you work through the preparation of these forms, QuickBooks offers intuitive prompts and easy-to-follow guidelines to ensure that you are entering the necessary data correctly. If at any point you feel unsure about the information required, QuickBooks often provides help icons or information boxes adjacent to fields that might require further clarification. Take advantage of these resources if you're uncertain about what details need to be entered. In summary, navigating through QuickBooks to prepare and file your 1099s can be seamless when following these steps. Signing into your QuickBooks account, accessing the 1099 Filings menu, and proceeding to Prepare 1099s. The digital tools built into QuickBooks aim to guide you through the filing process step by step while minimizing errors. Always remember to review all entered details thoroughly before finalizing your 1099 forms to avoid common filing mistakes. As you become more familiar with QuickBooks, this process will feel more intuitive and time-efficient. I hope this guide has made the task of 1099 filing through QuickBooks much clearer. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more helpful guides to enhance your financial management tasks. Have a great day.